Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on absolutely a wonderful tool, doing a review for it. Let's see if I can get it in focus. This is the DCF891. I just got it in and it is phenomenal. I get tired of fighting with lug nuts. This is the company vehicle. All you have to do is come down here and hit the button and make sure it's on the one that says it looks like a screw. And this is how, and I'm using a very inexpensive cheap battery because we use these, and these are the best Dewalt batteries, close to Dewalt batteries that we can find. And here's an example. This is my work truck, and watch this. You saw that? In a couple seconds, and it even stopped by itself. I'm going to put it back on, and it literally will stop by itself instead of keep on trying to go grind it on. Watch this. See that? It stops by itself. I can hold the trigger. It won't go any further. It's very smart. So now what I'm going to do, I'm doing it one hand. I'm going to go over to a customer's car. And what I'm going to do, this is a Honda. So please forgive me. I'm doing this with one hand. I got to put the socket on. And I want to make sure this socket actually fits, this impact socket. All right. So now I'm going to, it's a very tight fit. So give me 1 minute, hold on. All right, it is actually on. And now I'm going to see if I can yank this one off on my Honda. And as you can see, it came right off of my customer's Honda. And put it right back on. Stop by itself. I love it. Come back over. See if I can pull another one off. I just stopped it so I could talk. And as you can see, it goes right back on. I got this on Amazon. I got it used. It looks almost completely brand new. It is completely awesome. I'm going to have the link in the description. And you do not have to have a Dewalt battery for this to do what it's supposed to do. And you can literally see, I'm going to wipe the screen to make it a little bit more clearer. You can literally see which one it is. DCF891. This is a very good impact wrench. We actually have a few other ones, and I'm going to show you. This is for your do-it-yourselfers. You want to bust some good things off. Got this one right here. This one's completely not as good as this one. This one's a lot bigger. They have one that's a lot bigger, but we don't need that high performance. And as you can see, you can compare the two. One is a lot bigger than the other one. So let me take off this. And as you can see, one is bigger than the other. I'll turn this one around. And these are the two good batteries that we always use because the Dewalt ones are very expensive. But as you can see, this one's a lot bigger than the other one. We even have this one right here, the DCF891. But this is hands down one of the best ones that we ever have gotten. And it busts all the stuff, nuts off extremely easy with the ease. Don't be having to use a crank or no big giant breaker bar or anything else. This is just a review of this awesome Dewalt tool, and I'll have all the information in the description when the video comes out. Thank you.